No, it's not a question of doesn't like. He doesn't come here today. It may be, I said, it may be. I want to be transparent in my journey. I don't want to hide the truth. I want to be transparent in my journey because I know the people of Meghalaya are not full. Even I try to hide here, I try to hide there. That's why I think it's my job. I'll go and meet him. I'll take the guidance of the general secretaries and the in charge. I'll take the guidance of Dr. Celestine Longdo and many others. I'll definitely meet him. I've just joined today. Actually, as soon as my appointment was announced, I flew all the way from Delhi to Shillong. Me and along with Dr. Bon, I wanted to meet him, but it was an assembly session, so he cannot. At the same time, me also asked my children are studying outside. I need to get my visa done, interview done, fingerprint done, so I went back to Delhi. Then after that I came back here, I tried to meet him again, assembly sessions was there. I could not meet him, but I need also to see all the preparations, people coming all over the state should come here, so we were busy. So definitely it's my job, I'll try to meet him. He used to be a dear friend of mine, a senior leader. It may not be against me, it may be against him also, it may be against anybody also. So definitely we'll see. It's too early to say, but his absence today, I think I should be transparent to everybody. Maybe then it's my job, I'll do. But I always consider him as the boss in the party and as a friend. You know, legislators in Garo Hills, mainly Mukul's family and friends and all the conquerors who were there. So naturally, if he is not there, others will not there. And it's an open fight. So I think that the other day Marthan Sama came, today Deborah came. So I think there must be something. That's why I told you that I will try to see that things are in order.